This RV Raptor is less than 2 years old and already getting a slide floor rebuilt. So we played our subfloor and used spray foam. As you can see, this spray foam, yeah, we've tried liquid nails, cabinet glue. The only thing bad about foam is if you let it dry on an uneven surface and it dries with a bowl in it, you got to redo your wood because it's a piece of concrete once this goes together. Let me give you a concept. How do you make 14-foot solid platform with 8-foot by 4 plywood? So you're gonna lay down, Ray.
Yeah.
You're gonna lay down a full. You're gonna need 3 sheets of 1/2 inch.
4 sheets.
3 sheets. So to make this 12 or 14 foot long, whatever, you got a full sheet that's 8 foot. You bring your third one down and you cut it into 2 halves. So you're going to have 2 full sheets and 2 half sheets. So you're going to have 3 sheets of plywood, cut 1 right in the middle. Lay down your full sheet and put your other 4 foot. That would be a 12-foot subfloor. Now right here's your short piece. So you're going to bring down a full sheet of plywood and put it over the seam, the full sheet this way. It's called plating. And then you bring down your last half and cover the plywood. That way this right here is one solid concrete platform, stronger than anything you can order from the manufacturer. And believe me, the screws is just to set for the spray foam to bond. That's my pen there, Hairbrain. Just got my Milwaukee pen. See how slick he is?
Got it off the saw benches over there.
So, you didn't see in the previous video, and we basically grind off any rough screws or anything like that. But that spray foam, the most important part about it is once that foam goes down and it sets up, it's done. So if you mess up on it, you got to redo it again. So you either want to use your old floor if possible. If not, measure from the inside right here from your aluminum channel. Don't hook over here on your fiberglass. Inside to inside. That's going to be your the length, and the width is always different. So this is a 9'1" subfloor. So you needed 3 sheets. All we needed to do was build it 6.5 inches longer on each side of that 8-foot piece of plywood. So if you're wondering how to make you can make inlet, you can make it 20 foot long. But slide floors are anywhere from 9'1" to 14, 16 foot slides. 14 footer is about probably the biggest one we've done. But what happened on this one, the AC was condensing down, leaking in that top seal, that top gasket up there. That's supposed to have silicone going along the top of it up there. So it gets down in the walls, and it was dripping right here. It was dripping in between the walls and into the subfloor. And that's why you see that massive hole in that exact location. Right here, that's the exact location. And look, they wrap it in plastic. We paint ours and treat ours and waterproof it. So if water can get in there, it's trapped forever and it's going to rot, mold. But how many more subfloors am I going to do before people say slide toppers should come with the RV? I think every RV owner that's ever had floor rot should protest, do whatever they got to do, sign a petition. Help me figure it out. I've just been preaching slide toppers.
Where's your tool at?
For a long time. All right, let's get off here and fix this assembly. But we're going to get this painted up. We'll show you the paint that we use on it as well.